Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with AI. Today, we're going to learn 20 common skin-related vocabulary words you can use in everyday conversation, doctor visits, or beauty discussions. I'll show you clear pictures, give you the meaning of each word, and use it in a sentence so you can remember it easily. Let's get started. Let's look at the image 1. Skin tag, a small, soft piece of skin that hangs off the body. Example: my grandmother had a skin tag removed from her neck. Whitehead, a small spot or pimple with a white tip caused by oil and dead skin. Example: she noticed a whitehead on her chin this morning. Blackhead, a small dark spot caused by clogged pores. Example: I use a special face wash to prevent blackheads. Wrinkles, lines or folds in the skin, often caused by aging or facial expressions. Example: smiling gives you happy wrinkles around your eyes. Hyperpigmentation, dark patches of skin caused by excess melanin. Example: sunscreen helps prevent hyperpigmentation. Let's look at image 2 now. Varicose veins, swollen, twisted veins visible under the skin, usually on the legs. Example: standing for long hours can cause varicose veins. Pores, small openings in the skin where sweat and oil are released. Example: hot weather can make your pores look larger. Acne, a skin condition with red pimples, often on the face. Example: stress can sometimes make acne worse. Freckles, small brown spots on the skin, often from sun exposure. Example: she has cute freckles across her nose. Age spots, flat brown spots that appear on the skin with age. Example: age spots are common after the age of 50. Let's look at image 3 now. Rosacea, a condition causing redness and visible blood vessels on the face. Example: hot drinks can make rosacea symptoms worse. Eczema, a skin condition causing itchy, red, and dry patches. Example: my friend uses a special cream for her eczema. Psoriasis, a disease that causes thick, scaly patches of skin. Example: psoriasis can appear on the elbows or knees. Stretch marks, long, narrow lines on the skin from stretching or growth. Example: she got stretch marks after her pregnancy. Moles, small, dark spots or growths on the skin. Example: you should check your moles regularly for changes. Let's look at the last image now. Scars, marks left on the skin after an injury has healed. Example: he has a scar on his knee from a childhood fall. Sunburn, red, painful skin caused by too much sun. Example: I forgot sunscreen and got a bad sunburn. Dark circles, dark areas under the eyes, often from tiredness. Example: she had dark circles after staying up all night. Cellulite, lumpy, dimpled skin, usually on the thighs or hips. Example: exercise can help reduce the appearance of cellulite. Dry patches, areas of skin that are rough and flaky. Example: cold weather gives me dry patches on my cheeks. And that's it. Now we have learned 20 skin vocabulary words you can use in daily life. Which one was new for you? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning today, don't forget to like, subscribe Easy English with AI, and share this video so more people can improve their English. See you in the next lesson.